આ 4424 એક્ટિવા તમારી જે લાલ એક્ટિવો क्या मुकी थी
आचार्य
4424 लाल एक्टिवा भाई तेरा रुकता नहीं भोपाल से लेके फिर ड्राइव इन सिनेमा 15 मिनट से मैं बिल्डिंग के नीचे लिफ्ट उसकी बंद नहीं धनजी ने बोला दिल रजामंद भाई शान बैठ थोड़ा सुबह से अभी तक नारी को तरसा
या मैं वहाँ खड़ा हुआ मिला हाथ में था हरा और गीला पेड़ी को बाटू पेड़े
ऊपर से पुप्पो का लफड़ा
तो आज पोपो को पी पी करा देख के मैं सीख रहा रॉन्ग से मैं स्कूटी भगा
बड़ी बड़ी चारों तरफ से मुझको कोई रास्ता नहीं दिखता तुले खड़े सामने किधर लू बता खर्चा पानी नहीं है क्या लेगा बेटा
पेमेंट में लेट था आज हफ्ता देख के बंदा सेफ था हफ्ता लेके मैं आउट ऑफ स्टेट मेरा माइंड ऑफ स्टेट में लिखता नहीं सड़कों पे दिखता
क्या तेरा चाचा विधायक नहीं तो सख्ती में घूमना नहीं बाबा कलम की काफी है फायर रेट तो सेकंड में छली कर दूंगा
काम चल रहा है दाम बढ़ रहा है दाम अगर सेम तो फिर क्वांटिटी कम सालो व्हाट द फक
I'm just chilling with my friends spitting on the mic little on your face 6 साल हुए still rolling in the game बेकार घूमे हमें रुकता कोई नहीं देख
मारियो ना तू ब्रेक मारियो जैसे मारे श्रूम्स खून में बत्ती जलती रहे बल्ती दे बूथ में घुस के स्ट्रीट पे नाम लेते स्याही डंजी के अनिकेतन बहुत ही मायरे एजेंट को बोलते करते पैसा वायर बे शाम से तो बंदे सीन से गायब है और क्या ये सीन के लायक है
लॉन्डो की यही शिकायत है बिना नाम लिए डिस्क करना नहीं सिखाते बीमा करा ले फिर मेरे इलाके में तो बीमर बेका दूं एक्टिवा के भाव पे रैप रश करे हेक्सर टीवा के दाव पे जिए शोज के वो चेक्स ब्लू चेक हो ग्राम पे जिए नोट्स ऑन माय बेड रोलेक्स
हाथ में हवे क्रश करिए हेड ले ले बोपल गांव में प्री रोल वाले बच्चे खर्चा मांगे जब से घर से भागे बस करते बातें वैसे कटती रात या पर रात को स्पॉट पे बैठे आज अब कर्फ्यू लागे
स्टैश रॉयल और मेक इट लार्ज ये रोल करा स्पाइरल मिली चैन की सांस से लिख किया पेपर डाली अंदर घास अबे बोलना क्या लाइटर है तेरे पास में
लाइटर नहीं हूँ वहाँ
लाइटर नहीं है यार
या
4424 लाल एक्टिवा लेके फिर निकला मैं पान के गले पे लाइटर नहीं मिला पीटी बहुत ज्यादा धनजी एक काम कर मंदिर से माचिस उठा ला
જો ભાઈ હેલ્મેટ વગર ચલાવવા માટે પેલા ભાઈ જોડે કાં તો મેમો બનાવી લો 600 રૂપિયાની કાં તો સાહેબ જોડે વાત કરી લો
welcome everybody to reaching 1700. So Sagar bhai, how are you today?
I'm good. समय how are you doing? मैंने देखा कल बाद में
हाँ
कि कुछ तो स्ट्रीम में एकदम अलग ही कोई फ्यूचर क्या
भाई,
क्या था
आप फ्यूचर से आ गए थे भाई आपको पता नहीं क्या हुआ था there was some shrap on you had come from the future and you were very mean bro so the thing is I realized as at night मैं सोच रहा था कि अगर मैं अपना प्रेजेंट इतना अच्छा कर लूं और आपकी ऐसा ख्याल रखूं कि आपको इतना खुश कर दूं मैं 2000 ऐसे पहुंच जाऊं तो इन फ्यूचर यू डोंट रीच दैट प्लेस यू सी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग
मुझे तो डर लग रहा है कि वो वापस ना आ जाए कभी
मुझे भी बहुत डर लग रहा है कि वापस ना आ जाए होप कभी वापस ना आ जाए तो हम लोग फटाफट शुरू करते हैं भाई एंड लेट्स गेट राइट इनटू इट बिकॉज़ सागर हैज टू लीव इन 1.5 hours तो सागर भाई एनी टिप्स बिफोर आई बिगिन
Yeah, so the tips are first of all, very importantly, just look at all the possibilities while playing. Calculate. Keep your hand away from the mouse from the mouse.
From the mouse only, I was also thinking, bro. But the thing is, Sagar bhai,
Before पहले finish तो कर रहे तो you are like आपको एडवाइस चाहिए क्या सच में?
सच में चाहिए भाई hand
So the
away from
thing
the mouse
is,
कर दिया मैंने already.
when you are about to make a move, like when the opponent makes a move, try to not reply instantly because most of your mistakes happen when you are about to respond.
That's
instantly.
like a relationship advice also, you know.
Yes, it's very important because the ऐसे जो वो reaction देते ना quickly, उसमें ही breakups हो जाते हैं सबसे
हाँ,
ज्यादा।
yes, that's right. Sagar Shah giving
So-
relationship advice with generous advice. तो सागर भाई, I will calculate well. The only thing is फिर time का मेरे को वो आता है. Congratulations, Fleet for 500k.
Oh,
तो
please, congrats.
you know मैं जब calculate करने लग जाता हूँ तब मेरा टाइम पूरा चले जाता है फिर शुरू में. This is what I'm
हाँ, but
facing.
pace yourself well. Pace yourself well so that at some points you are making quick decisions. At the critical moments, you are taking more decisions. After the game, I'll ask you what according to you were critical moments in the game.
Okay.
And a good player always realizes when was the moment to think and when was the moment to play quickly.
Take. All right. The most critical
So-
moment, however, is the rematch between me and Amruta because that will decide a lot of things in the future. Sagar Shah, I'm telling you, आपका future संकट में हो सकता है. We have to be very careful here. All right, let's go.
Yeah, a lot of things at stake. But today, Samay, we'll play 3 games at least. Let's get going for the first game and give your best. Let's follow him. So chat, I hope everyone's doing good. Samay playing the Sicilian. His opponent is Abu Crombie from England. England है ना यार दोस्तों ये flag कौन सा है? United Kingdom. Oh, and he's played the Mora Gambit. I'm very interested to see how Samay will react to this. whether he will take the pawn. Yes, he's taken the pawn. Knight takes c3, and now we are in a situation where Samay has an extra pawn and white has development lead. So knight to c6, he brings out a piece, white also develops. Usually in the Mora gambit, you get the bishop here to c4, pawn to e6, decent play, e5, and now you go to g4. This is not a great move because knight g4 hits the pawn, and then you can play d6 and get your bishop out. By the way, all the people here who are, the idea of, oh, this is a free pawn, this is a free pawn, and he takes it. Good, good. The idea of these reaching 1700 streams or, oh, free bishop, free bishop, free bishop, please, Samay, focus. Focus. I don't see his face having that expression कि उसको दिखा है. Unless he has learned the art of being very calm. I haven't seen. Has he missed it? That this is hanging. Please don't miss it. Please don't miss it. Reaching 1700 streams remind me of the Tom Cruise. What? What? See, I could see from his expression that he had not seen. The bishop was hanging. Joy Datta, thank you for your super chat. Tom Cruise movie Edge of Tomorrow. Also, Sagar, can we have Babaji again on stream? I believe, guys, future Sagar or future Shah, as he's called, would join in maybe when Samay is closer to actually reaching 1700. We'll try to get him at that point. He saw it. People are saying he saw it. अच्छा, उसने arrow किया था क्या? Then why didn't he take it? Okay, let's go now. Bishop f6. ये देखो. Sometimes you can create a threat. Bishop f6 has a very nice threat of knight f3 check and bishop takes queen. And also it doesn't spoil your position so much. I agree that bishop f6 maybe queen d6 is possible, but queen d6 is not the end of the world. So ये bishop f6 मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Also possible is just to play knight c6, hit the queen.
Confused between knight c6 and knight g6. Knight
Yeah,
c6
both.
gives me tempo. Knight g6 gives king safety.
Well, not really. Your king is pretty safe. I think knight c6 and d5 makes a lot of sense. But yeah, I agree. Knight g6, you keep a piece closer to your king. Arrow मैं बना रहा हूँ दोस्तों. I'm not. It's not Samay who's making the arrows. It's me who has. I have shared my screen, so you can't see what Samay is thinking. Okay, queen g4, and now let's think. How should we continue? Of course, if Samay saw it, he would take it. d5, bishop h6, and now the idea is to checkmate in one move. Just get your bishop here. That makes just a lot of sense. Very good. So now if you look at the board, he has 2 extra pawns. He could have won the game by taking the bishop, but still it's completely in his grasp. And Auric threatened to push the pawn to e5 and then to d4, opening up. Yeah, it's me who is doing the arrow. Okay, bishop c2. Let's think now. e5, good move, good move. Hitting the queen. He has to be careful. Yeah, queen g3. And now I like this move, knight d4. ये देखो, हमेशा loose pieces को देखो और कहाँ पे? Pranshu Bhatnagar, he didn't see NC4. No, it's like saying I saw someone who was like very, very beautiful, very smart, very intelligent, very nice. She also proposed to me, but then I said, no, I don't want to, have her as my better half. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, knight c4 is just a move where you are like, okay, this is just the best move in the position. You see it, you play. Knight e7. I think Samay is getting a bit worried. He wants to put his knight here so that attack ka sab tension sab chala jaye. Makes sense. Makes sense. You know, white is slowly trying to fight back. He's attacking the d5 pawn. Bishop e6, fine, fine. Game is heating up. I would imagine knight e4 to be a move, but now knight f5 I like a lot. क्या लगता है? Knight f5. Because knight g6 is a natural move, but after knight takes f6, ये देखो बहुत ही ध्यान से देखो. If you take gf6, oh look at he's blundered because he hasn't seen one key move, knight f6. If Samay then takes queen f6, there is a deadly trap. Can you see it? Knight f6 मारा, he has to give up an exchange here. अगर आप queen से मारोगे, तो there is a deadly trap. Can you find it? White to play. Don't take with the queen. Think. सोच नहीं रहा है. Over. Game is over. He's not thinking. Look at him. Look at his face. The bright eyes. There's a big eyes. Have these big eyes when you have actually the chance to think. Or you can try for a last trap, knight f4. Because if bishop f6, knight e2 check. Knight e2 check, king moves, then take the queen. But, you know, if you play knight f4 and he just plays rook e1, over. You can resign. Yeah, he's not looking at things. There is a lot of work needed for Samay right now to get back to his prime form. He's far away from it. And this happens when you play a lot of bullet, when you play, and this is not, I'm not trying to diss him or anything of that sort. It happens in every chess player's life that there are phases when you go up and then you come down. But when you are down, when you again go up, you move faster. So coming back up is not like when he'll reach 1700, he'll be just 1700. He will quickly reach 1800. So let's keep our patience. Let's work on each game. Let's work on every single game here and where he's going wrong. F5.
I won't waste much time. I'll just play a couple of moves and then resign. I'm just trying to create some threats.
No. It's okay. He feels also the pressure there. This is what I don't want him to feel. You know, कि अरे मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. I don't want to waste time. I want to play good games. Oh, I want to fresh start. एकदम वो रहता है ना अपना. Every week you put a new bed sheet on your bed and you're like, oh, इसको touch नहीं करना है. या फिर on your computer screen there is this plastic and you're like, इसको नहीं, नया plastic को निकालना नहीं. You don't need that feeling. It's a fight. Chess is a brutal war on the board. So fight. It can be possible that you outwit him still. Anyway, it looks very unlikely because h5 is coming in, knight is hanging, e5 pawn is hanging. But I don't want this approach because he never has this approach of giving up. Because now h5 would mean that the knight even doesn't have a good square to go for now. It's very difficult. Yeah, e4, okay. Fighting. At the core, you know, Samay is a fighter. So for him, resigning is not very easy. And now, you know, he would love to play rook f5. Next move, perhaps. The opponent is thinking here. He's taking his time. Samay is also low on time. But you can see like the position from where it has reached where. Just because nice move by Abu Krombi. Just take check here. Have to go to h8. Now this pawn hangs. Take the pawn on e4. Yeah, good play. White, black is doing well. White is playing well. Knight to h4. Maybe take this. Snap off another pawn. I would like to create some threat here. Maybe bishop b1. Yeah, queen h5. Nice move. By the way, oh, ooh, nice move. Nice move. G6, queen takes h4. Yeah, yeah. Designs. Samay,
हाँ भाई.
how did you miss this? How did you miss here? Black to blue.
नाइट टेक्स कैसे मिस किया मैंने यार?
So the thing is, this was fine. Bishop e7, castles, queen d4, knight c6, and
नाइट g6 was better क्या?
knight g6 is also fine. Like you said, both are good moves. Even your tricky self earlier would have played bishop f6, threatening knight f3 and creating some,
हाँ.
threats in the position. But okay, this is fine. What is happening to you, I'll tell you, is that you are trying to be too safe. जैसे यहाँ पे you played अभी knight e7 because आपको चाहिए कि यहाँ से यहाँ knight को लेके आओ,
हाँ.
और ये माइंड में फिक्स हो गया है, लाइक कि मुझे ये लाना ही है. But if you see knight d4, it's a very powerful move, hitting the bishop, threatening knight e2 check कभी तो, मतलब if this knight moves. So it's a nice move, knight d4, getting to the center, e4, knight f5, knight e7, rook d1, bishop e6, fine, knight e4, and now you didn't even consider knight f5 क्योंकि आपके माइंड में knight g6 ही था.
Knight f5, yes, knight f5. I played very badly this game, very badly.
Well, it was fine. And then here still gf6 because again आपको लगा कि आपका king, so king के ऊपर जब अटैक आता है ना, you get very scared.
Yeah.
Let it be a little bit, मतलब ठीक है, king is not so weak, it can defend itself, okay, and calculate more and be in this flow. Let yourself be in the flow and don't feel कि समय अच्छा नहीं खेल रहा हूँ, गेम अगर अच्छा नहीं जा रहा, पीस मर गया तो फाइट नहीं करना है, ओ आई एम वेस्टिंग टाइम, ये सब नहीं. यू प्ले, यू आर लाइक अ स्ट्रीट फाइटर, फाइट.
Fine.
Let's go. Okay, Samay has the white pieces, opens the game with 1 e4, Sicilian. Wow. Knight f3, knight c6. We have, Hare. Takes, knight takes, Shah Baba, super chat. G6. And now, bishop g7. This is known as the accelerated dragon. Okay, this opening is known as the accelerated dragon. Bishop e3, good move. Knight f6. And now, Samay should not play queen d2 because knight g4 is a slightly tricky move. And remember, in this position, you don't want to give up your bishop, e3 wala. This bishop is not a piece you want to give. So you start with what move? Guys, in the chat, what are the moves that come to your mind now? What are the moves that come to your mind at this point? White to play. H3, F3. Yes, F3. I love this move. F3 because it stops NG4. It also prepares Queen D2 and it prepares long castle. You know, H3 is also a nice move, positional move. I like that Samay thought about this कि यहाँ पे knight आ सकता है, and he played H3. But F3 से कैसे ये pawn भी protected रहता है. Bishop C4. Okay. Okay. Interesting play. Saad Mohammed, welcome to the membership. 4-man VFX. Thank you for becoming a member. A6. Okay. Now you can castle or you can go Queen D2. You can play either way. But you know, I'm a little bit concerned about B5 coming at the right time. Right now, the knight on C6 would be hanging. So B5 एक threat है, B5, B4, castles, good move. B5, oh, free knight, ले लो, please, now please spot it. Please see it. His expression this time, I hope he can see it. Just breathe. Satak Singh, welcome to the membership. Yes. Okay, good. Now, bishop is hanging, knight भी मर रहा है. दोनों को कैसे बचाएं? सोचो. Bishop को यहाँ ला सकते. और एक मूव देखो, ट्रिकी मूव, अगर समय अच्छे फॉर्म में तो नाइट d5. आप बोलोगे कैसे नाइट d5? Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Just context. Yeah. Game over. Game over. He's piece up. Now just think carefully and finish him off. Yeah, rookie one. Good move. Good move. See, this is Samay's true strength. I hope he's able to continue playing this way in this game. Bishop, he castles. Maybe I want to play bd4, but there is e5. Maybe bishop g5 is another move that I'm thinking about. Also, I like queen d2 because then I can go bishop h6. Thank you, Chaitali, for becoming a member. Gaming Bacha, I'm not a good player. I defeated a player. It was written defeated by stalemate. What is stalemate? And I'm practicing d4. Is it good? Gaming Bacha, d4 is a good opening, of course. Oh, he took here. He take this. Tactics. Oh, because that was such a cool move. ये देखो यहाँ पे knight takes. बोलोगे पर knight मर रहा है. यहाँ पे fork and knight मर जाए. So he played this. Okay, fine. Give a check. Maybe a check is a good idea. Gaming Badshah, you cannot defeat someone by stalemate. You can only draw a game by stalemate. तो draw हो गया रहेगा. I don't think you defeated him. You can defeat only someone by checkmate. Stalemate is a draw, and d4 is a good opening, so you can play. Now knight d5 again. I want Samay to get into this tactical mode. You know, यहाँ पे मतलब वो एक मोड रहता है ना कि सुबह को उठे अकबर कहाँ है? Oh yes, he's found it. Yes, nice. I was just trying to see like Samay ऐसे ढूंढेगा कि नहीं, because the thing is, even if you take, oops, not this bishop will move this way, take this, go knight e7. So what I was coming to is like, you can go through your motions and you can say, oh, knight मर रहा है, चलो इसको move करते हैं, knight b4. But you can also have that fire within you. Queen attack, queen को बचाए नहीं तो knight f6 check. Oh, he forgot. See, then when you play with fire, game ends. You just take it. He's trying to actually calculate also a check here and see if there are some mating possibilities, but I don't see it. Just take the queen and then there is a nice fork here. Looks good. Looks good. I like that he's focusing. I like it. देखो वो सोच रहा है ये point पे. I'm sure he's seen the queen hanging. Otherwise, वो like it वाला चीज dislike में convert होगा, but he's seen it. He's looking for a checkmate. Say, for example, if you go knight f6, if king f8, there is knight h7, king back. I don't see a mate. Oof, he didn't take it. Is he seeing some kind of a mate? No, he's given a check, but I think he saw the queen is hanging. Ayush Patil, thank you for becoming a member. Take on h7 next. I'll ask Samay after the game. Very interesting move. Very interesting move. क्योंकि queen takes d7, queen h8 checkmate. But king g8 is possible. And I don't see how to mate after that. वो एक कहावत रहती है ना कि a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. तो क्वीन मिल रही थी, ले लेते थे. Okay, is piece up. But then once again, you know, I've always been
the queen only then maybe.
Okay, he'd seen it.
Or maybe this is also working.
This is also fine. Good, he had seen it. Rohan Kembhavi, thank you for becoming a member. Oh, checkmate there. समय क्वीन देखा था ना?
हाँ, मैंने क्वीन देखा था. Of course देखा था भाई. But क्वीन लिए बिना वर्क कर रहा था ना ये?
I think it was, but there was no real mate. So as you played, I think that was the best way. What I loved in this game, ठीक है, a few things very quickly.
Yeah.
One is that आपने पहले तो ये देखा ये मर रहा है.
हाँ.
But more important than that, you saw that it's important.
yes, to play h3 because वो नहीं तो वो knight g4 आता, मेरा bishop हिलता, फिर मेरा knight मर जाता.
Very good, excellent. But how about starting with f3 next time and playing more aggressively with queen d2 and long castle
Oh,
against dragon? Because there is a pawn here, you can push h4 h5 and get a very strong attack with bishop h6.
got it.
So this is, but you played a very good game because ठीक है, उन्होंने तो ब्लंडर कर दिया ये.
मैं लॉन्ग कैसल जाने वाला था, पर फिर मुझे लगा नहीं, अभी मेरा बहुत खराब गेम हुआ है, मेरा मोरल डाउन है. इसने क्या किया, ये क्वीन c7.
हाँ, ये पीस दिया. Now can you find a tactical way to save? This was a very logical way you played, which is a fine move. Find a tactical way to come out of this, क्योंकि your knight is hanging, your bishop is hanging, both are hanging.
Knight takes b5.
Knight takes b5, ab5, bishop
takes-
b5, bd7. Not
bd7.
100% clear. But tactics you have to see in your game also. There are many tactical opportunities.
कोई 4 आ रहा है क्या? कोई 4 भी नहीं दिख रहा है. बिशप टेक्स f7, किंग टेक्स, कोई नहीं आ रही d5 पे. नहीं भाई, नहीं दिख रहा है.
थिंक ऐसे नहीं चलता है. यही तो आपका, ये दिस इज योर बुलेट टॉकिंग. बुलेट में एक मुंह दिखा खेलो, तो जब सोचना आता है तो यू आर लाइक
मिल गया.
बता,
नाइट
बता.
d5.
ओके,
ठीक है. if queen takes,
या
then knight takes f6 check, and bishop takes, and then bishop d5.
beautiful.
Yes.
See, this is hard work. This is the work I wanted to do, and I was very happy when you actually played this move here, which was check and knight d5. Because I was like, अरे अभी ये फिर से यही खेलेगा. समय has
भाई
given up
समय
his
has become
tactical
strong है
skill.
भाई.
So this is a good move. Now, this is what I want you to go in for tactics. And yes, of course, you could have taken this, but this is also, I
भाई
think,
एक बार देखो, बार किस पे बेटर दिखा रहा है. बार आई थिंक नाइट f6 से प्रेफर कर रहा है. देखो,
equal है, equal.
अगर आप
ऐसे तो होता है.
नाइट टेक्स खेलो, नाइट टेक्स c7 खेलो, 23 पॉइंट.
Same है.
अच्छा, ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है. चलो,
Almost
बच गए भाई.
Okay, let's go for the next game. Everyone is saying that Prakhar is also playing on his stream, so
Oh.
you can challenge him if you want later.
ओके,
वो बहुत अच्छे, मतलब he is a very good player, right?
ठीक है. I'll message him.
Okay, this time Samay is playing against RT Randy, and he is from which country, guys? 1600. Kritika Sinha जी कह रहे हैं, सागर please shout out to Ankur Gaming Hilo. Okay, wonderful. Shout out to Ankur. And also, guys, Bishop. ये देखो क्या हुआ गेम. E4. He went for Sicilian. Knight F3, A6. This is Samay's favorite line. C3, good move. Because we already seen D4 is not the most appropriate response to it. Because take and then Samay can go E5 or Knight F6 followed by.
भाई मैं हर बार कंफ्यूज होता हूँ. If I go knight c6 and he goes d4, then after I take, he has a good center. So there's
No.
there should be another way. I remember there is some way
Go.
attack this e5. Maybe go d4 right now. And
No, but there is a very good
something
way.
is there,
Knight
yeah.
c6, d4 is a great version of the French because you can put your bishop out and then play e6. तो बहुत बार क्या होता है फ्रेंच में, नाइट c6 गुड मूव. अगर वो d4 खेलता है इन केस, देन यू पुट योर बिशप ऑन g4 गाइस. ये देखो e6 खेलोगे तो फ्रेंच डिफेंस में आ जाओगे. अपन खेलेंगे बिशप को कैद के बाहर लेके जाएंगे. ये पॉन, यस, एक्सीलेंट, वेरी गुड. नाउ e6, प्ले सॉलिडली, प्ले सॉलिड चेस, प्ले नाइस चेस. e6 also possible to just take and play e6, but bishop को क्यों दे हम? Knight queen b6 also okay. I'm just a little worried that dc5 और फिर यहाँ पे problem होगा. See, these are little things which are very subtle. Like, हाँ देखो अभी क्या problem हो गया कि जो गेम पे आपको d4 पे प्रेशर बनाए रखना था, उसके जगह अभी आपकी क्वीन को अटैक करेंगे, फिर d5 पॉन मरेगा एंड सो ऑन. See, now he came back. This is time waste. If he had started simply here with the move e6, he would have been in a nice position. Bishop मस्त खुल रहा है, knight आएगा यहाँ पे, queen जाएगी, एक move order से you suddenly feel uncomfortable. Okay, now knight d4, good move by white. Samay has to think about his bishop. ठीक है, ले लेते हैं. Bishop takes c2, queen takes c2, takes, okay, queen e2. I think taking with the queen makes sense, and then we just go e6. This position is bad for black, okay, because he's a pawn down, but it's not lost because there are still a lot of possibilities. c5 pawn mar sakta hai. Of course, he'll go b4 now. b4 is a very good move. He should play it. Also, he can think about some other possibilities also, like knight takes c6, b takes c6, b4. Very good. ये जो opponent है ना, RT Rendi's का opponent, he's from Russia, and generally Russian players are pretty good, even lower rated. क्यों पता है क्या? उनके उधर एक कल्चर है चेस का. तो कल्चर मतलब कैसे, जब बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है तो उसके दादाजी है, he used to play chess when he was young. He would give him a chess board. He would then teach him chess. So that kid improves and plays better. So 1600 in Russia is often stronger than 1600 in some other country. But well, now with the technological developments and all, we don't have these, sort of things, fixated things ki yahan pe hi acha hai and stuff like that. Now Samay has some good possibilities. Guys, look at this. Firstly, he can take on d4, pawn takes, and think about knight c6. Then his knight attacks c6, d4 and b4. But he can just defend with queen d2. Parth says, what are your views on gender-based title and rating systems in chess, especially when it's not a physical sport? Parth, there is a common misconception that chess is not a physical sport. A lot of, mental effort goes in, but also at the highest level, physical ability is tremendously required. Kyunki stamina lagta hai to play for long hours. In fact, there's a very beautiful article written about this on ESPN. If you search about chess and weight loss, that will be good. I do think that the titles were introduced as a means to encourage women to play chess. Maybe at some point it also led to them not being able to give their best. So yeah, it has their pros and cons. It's not a one-way thing. We can debate on it. By the way, b5, b6 is interesting because he'll get a very strong passer, but Samay is hoping that a check milega, somehow he can castle. Ooh, what? Take this. Suddenly, the Russian school of chess, not so strong anymore. Let's take. Yeah, nice move. Asad Burmawala, thank you for becoming a member. Now just c4. Yes, Samay is winning. Samay is better, clearly better. And I'm glad that he's having a good position because opening say he played okay. Suddenly he made one weak move. ये देखो यहाँ पर जो उसने move किया, queen b6, queen b6, that turned out into a position where he got into such a mess. But I felt like he's the stronger player here somehow. And then this suddenly knight d2 just gave up this pawn and c4. Good. Knight c4. Okay, take this. Let's take it. Or should we give a check first? Oh, interesting to give a check. Okay, rook takes c4. That's fine. Check. Nice move. Nice move. Okay. Now, can we go queen d7? Or do you want to go queen b7? दोनों अच्छी चाल है. क्वीन को यहाँ पे भी रख सकते हैं हम. यहाँ पे ये पॉन वीक है पर मारना नहीं है. देखो दोस्तों, अगर मारेंगे तो चेक आके क्वीन मर सकता है. बट जस्ट क्वीन b7 कासल करेंगे. मटीरियल अप जो खेलना भी एक आर्ट रहता है. हाउ डू यू प्ले व्हेन यू आर मटीरियल या Yeah, nice move. Nice move. Queen d7, keeping control. Okay. Rook c1. I would say that let's castle it out. You know, don't get into any such business. Check aa raha hai pehle to, and you will lose the queen. Castling looks great. King safe हो जाता है. रुक आ जाता है गेम में. d4 weakness है, उस पे अपन और अटैक करेंगे. Everything is in our hands. Let's not be silly and stupid. Samay could also think about rook d8. Yeah, castle good. Rook c7, and now you can just pick up this pawn. It's a free pawn. You can even take with the knight, but with the knight we have to calculate. Knight d4, king f1. Yeah, queen d4 just makes a lot of sense. Because queen mar raha tha, le liya pawn, just everything is great. Joy asks, what is, if you were in Samay's place today, what is one thing you would have changed in the approach? Also, whether having a stiff time-bound target impacts someone's natural game. Time-bound target in the sense reaching 1700 and all. I don't know. Samay's got used to it in a way. And I would definitely say to everyone that not to keep too many rating targets for yourself. It's a good thing to have. It's just like, just like how money cannot be an end to what you do. It can be something which is a consequence of what you love doing.
रेटिंग पैसे की तरह
हाँ,
Sagar bhai,
there is-
here is a riddle for you.
Hmm,
If my girlfriend breaks up with me,
hmm,
she's called ex-girlfriend.
hmm.
But if my hamster breaks up with me, like a pet hamster, like an animal, what will be it called? My girlfriend breaks up, she's called ex-girlfriend. What if my hamster breaks up with me?
हाँ, इसमें ट्रैप है कोई, तो ऐसे लग रहा है, पर ट्रैप समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, पर ये एडिट बन सकता है. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है दोस्तों, सच में समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. आई एम ट्राइंग टू थिंक. ट्रैप तो है, ट्रैप तो है, पर समझ में नहीं आ रहा. समय का यही है, अभी पीस अप है करके वो ये सब रिडल्स पूछ रहा है. हाँ, but coming back to Joy, your question, that the one approach that I would change in Samay's is maybe the ability to play more serious chess whenever he gets time. But I think that's the aim with these evening based what we are doing right now, 1.5 hours, is that he can start playing more seriously. कैलकुलेट सब लोग बोल रहे कैलकुलेट करो सागर भाई. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. मेरे ख्याल से समय को भी ऐसे होता रहेगा. when I am saying calculate समय, find the move, तब ये जो उसने मुझे रिडल पूछा है नहीं दिख रहा है. No, you become weaker, you need to think, Sagar, you need to think. Okay, fine, I'll think. It's if girlfriend is called ex-girlfriend, then hamster is called. But some things you need to teach, right? So he's not taught me. I'll ask him after. Take this. अच्छा, okay. हाँ, अभी समझ में आ रहा है थोड़ा. Okay, got it. Take the pawn now. Yeah, nice. Check, you get 7. देखो इतना deep traps अगर आप लगाओगे, like for example, I'll tell Samay that solve this study by Troitsky. And he will not be able to solve ना, कभी solve नहीं किया, तो ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही deep था. Anyway, now this is hanging. Let's go check and here and pick this up. Bishop up, very nice. I think overall this game has been wonderfully played by Samay. Very good game, very strong chess. there are some things which you should still have to be careful. Like for example, you play king d4 and then you go rook c3. Okay, now rook c3. King d4 को rook c3 में मेरे को a3 का डर लग रहा था कि then some problems there. Bishop मारा तो king ये मर सकता है. Yeah, just everything is falling. a3, now bishop a3. Let's take it. Yeah, good move. Bring the bishop back. Take this pawn. It's always good. This formation, ये देखो. This is called codependence. He depends on this. Pawn defends the bishop. Bishop defends the pawn. Nice. It's a nice relationship. दोनों एक दूसरे को help कर. Now just pick up this pawn. Yeah, just take it. King f7, king f5. Harshvardhan Mirajkar, thank you so much for becoming a member. King f5, good. So Samay showing good technique, no counterplay, and these are the little things. Very good play, very good play.
Yo, Sagar bhai.
Well played, excellent. Just a few things to make sure that a6, c3 here, very good move here, and now excellent. This is what I was hoping you would do, because e6 goes into French with your bishop here.
Yeah.
You're going into French structure, but with the bishop outside the pawn chain.
Yeah.
So excellent play. And now, why just play e6. Keep it solid. Bishop controls. Next move, you can go knight e7, knight f5, or you can even go knight h6, knight f5. Don't be afraid of these double pawns.
Knight e7, knight g6. क्या?
देखो, e6 करेंगे.
हाँ.
And let's say castles.
हाँ.
Then there are two ways to play. One is cd, and then knight e7.
Okay.
तो उससे क्या होगा? Idea is bishop f3, knight f5, queen b6. तो एक, दो और तीन पीस सब अटैक करेंगे d4 पे मिलके. It's amazing.
समझा.
Position.
समझा.
एंड ये बिशप भी यहाँ पे डेवलप होके फिर कासल हो जाएगा जब नाइट यहाँ पे.
ठीक है.
आर यू गेटिंग इट?
समझा. आई अंडरस्टूड.
हाँ. सो ये जो मूव किया ना आपने, इट्स पार्ट ऑफ द प्लान, बट फर्स्ट e6 इज इंपॉर्टेंट, सो ये प्रोटेक्टेड रहता.
गॉट इट.
सो ये वाज मिस टाइम्ड, एंड देन यू रियलाइज दैट ओके क्वीन c5 में अगर b4 या बिशप e3 सब प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है.
वेरी प्रॉब्लमेटिक. बट मेरे को लगा कि मैंने उसका सेंटर ना तोड़ दिया.
बट नो, द थिंग इज, ये देखो, ही कैन प्ले b4 एंड यू आर अनेबल टू. ये पोजीशन में अगर आप ब्रेक कर दो ना कैसे तो इट्स पॉसिबल, बट कैसे करोगे?
a5 b6 जो वन बाद में किया.
Let's see here bg3 takes. So you did this queen d3, and now a5, b5, and now what should he have played?
He can't go c6, no?
Why?
Because bishop b4,
knight d2,
rook c8, मतलब
rook c8 castle. अब किसको अटैक करोगे? ये c6 पे pawn is so protected.
समझा.
So c6 के बाद your position is just very bad.
I thought c6 के बाद bishop b4, my position is better, I thought.
How? But what will you get? c6, bishop b4, knight d2. Next move I'm coming castle.
Yeah, that's right. ये ओपनिंग मेरे को थोड़ा स्टडी करना, बिकॉज ये ओपनिंग में मैं ज्यादा घुसा नहीं हूँ भाई.
नहीं, but you played very well. There is nothing much left. You know, Samay, this concept, if you remember always, which is just play e6 here, he castles, you can just play cd, knight e7, ठीक है, knight c3 पे है तो knight f5.
Attacking
Now,
d4 twice.
Yes.
Idea
And
is
let's
bishop
say he
takes.
defends it, then you can just play bishop e7 castle, or you can even take and go queen b6. एक pawn पे तीन पीस आ गए, and then bishop e7 castle, later f6 break.
Here if he goes knight e2,
Bishop e7. Just
okay.
You can just castle. आपके पास जो board पे बचे ना pieces, they are great. Queen is attacking here, यहाँ पे pressure, यहाँ पे later f6 break. It's just great.
ठीक है.
ये same position French में आता है, with the addition of bishop on c8, and that is the problem piece.
वीक बोलते हैं ना, फ्रेंच बिशप इज ऑलवेज वीक, ऐसा कुछ कहते हैं
Because
ना?
it's the only piece that creates disharmony in the like
Then why do people play that opening?
क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चर बहुत ही सही है, ये देखो स्ट्रक्चर वेरी सॉलिड, सो फॉर दैट द प्राइस यू पे इज द बिशप, सो एवरीवन स्टार्टेड टू देन से चलो स्ट्रक्चर का ही बात है ना, तो कारोकान खेलते हैं क्योंकि फिर बिशप बाहर निकलेगा, प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पर कारोकान में फिर ये नाइट बोलता है अरे मेरा जगह गया, सो एवरी ओपनिंग में एक छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम रहती है.
ओके, बाकी फिर एंड में आई प्लेड दैट फाइन, राइट?
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, well played. Except some कुछ तो था कि अगर मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड कुछ छोड़ के गई तो एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड एंड देन कुछ वो वाला.
Did you get it? Did you answer that question?
Someone was like, did you fall for it? पर फिर बोला, did you get it?
Chat, please make Sasha fall for at least one trap, man.
हाँ, लोग कर रहे हैं कुछ सुपर जाए. Okay, I think last
Alright,
game
let's
we can one more play with if Prakhar is there. I
Yeah,
think
I'll ask him.
he's waiting then.
चार आने का ट्रैप, पर आप
हाँ,
आप
चार.
फंसे कैसे नहीं इसमें, ये मेरे को जानना है कि हाउ डिड यू नो, व्हाट वेंट इन योर माइंड?
I was saying कि ये ट्रैप है, पर मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ दिमाग में उसका कोई मतलब बन नहीं रहा
कोई
है.
मतलब नहीं
तो
था
मैं
उसका.
पूछ रहा था उनको कि इसका मतलब क्या है, तब मुझे समझा, लोगों ने बोला गूगल करो, तब मैं बोला अच्छा ठीक है, समथिंग रिलेटेड. तो I also felt good that I really didn't know about this.
कोई
तो
कोई कोई चैट में फंसे क्या आप आज, कोई ट्रैप में फंसे क्या चैट की?
अभी तक नहीं समझ, लाइक अरे मैं 2 गेम तो जीता, लेकिन that is not important. आप ट्रैप में फंसे कि नहीं? उनका व्हाट इज हिज फुल नेम?
प्रखर के प्रवचन,
नहीं नाम
प्रखर
उनका.
गुप्ता.
Okay, let's see what is his FIDE rating. Oh, there are so many Prakhar Guptas. Maybe chat, you can help us. वो
Opponent-
कहाँ से?
मैं खेल रहा हूँ ना अभी प्रखर के साथ,
अच्छा आप खेल रहे हो?
देखो व्हाट व्हिच गेम कैन यू सी?
No, not started.
Who's my opponent in your game?
RT, हाँ वो 2-3 बार बोल दिया मैंने.
हो गया. अरे यार, अरे यार, लाइव जस्ट आ जा भाई.
समय कितना मेहनत कर रहा है वो ट्रैप के लिए.
एक ट्रैप में तो फंसना है ना भाई सागर शाह एवरी डे.
So Samay, you have reached a rating of 1625 now, slowly rising up the ladder. I think clearly if you start calculating, and today the stability of converting the advantage was excellent.
पहला गेम में मैं पूरा ऑफ हो गया, पर उसके बाद दोस्तों लाइक मार देना स्ट्रीम को. क्या बात कर रहे हो, मैंने देखा 7000 लाइक है भाई. कम ऑन, लेट्स हिट 5 डिजिट नंबर. ओके, देयर वी गो.
Samay now opens the game with 1 e4. Prakhar is rated 1700. Clearly a strong player. What is his FIDE rating? 1461. Okay, that's a pretty good rating. What is he thinking? Oh,
What?
he aborted. Okay, e4. Let's hope that this time the game begins. Yeah, c6, Karokan, very nice. Samay. Okay, let's go d4. Yeah, good move. Like that Samay is going for classical systems. You know, बहुत लोग क्या बोलते हैं पता है? अरे यार ये मेन लाइन ओपनिंग स्टफ नहीं सीखना, हमको बहुत टाइम लगेगा ये सब सीखने के लिए, ये सब समझता नहीं है. अरे शुरू तो करो, शुरुआत करो, धीरे धीरे सब कुछ हो जाता है. If you choose a good system, it will stay with you for a life. Knight f3. Let's go up. This is known as the advanced Caro-Kann, and white has space. Black is very solid. If you remember, guys, मैंने जो French opening का structure बताया था e6 और c5 करके, तो black bishop को बाहर निकाल रहा है और फिर e6 करना है उनको. इसमें एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि c6 और c5 दो मूव लगने वाले ब्रेक करने को. f4 is a move which is not so good because, and I don't blame Samay because he doesn't know the opening, but f4 is a move. Oh, no, 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 no. Well, this is good. Queen h4, Prakhar. You could have just won the game. Queen h4 check, and then g4 is just falling. But now after knight f3, you don't have queen h4 check. And if you take, and I take with the queen, and then you give a check, it's not as brutal anymore. Sagar Bhai started playing recently. Sometimes can't see castle option. Why? The castle option is always there. The only thing is that your king and rook shouldn't have moved. There should be no pieces in between. There should be no check to your king. There should be no piece which is controlling any
Just
square
telling a random
when the king
opening
is going to pass.
because it's my man, Prakhar.
क्या बोला? Right now, black has many good moves because white has overextended himself. So very good idea is to strike in the center with c5. Another idea which I like a lot in this position is to break with h5. क्योंकि h5 के बाद क्या होगा? You cannot keep your structure. You have to, if you push g5, you lose the f5 square to the knight jumping here. So let's see what Prakhar does here. He's taking his time. Prakhar is taking his time. I hope he's thinking because this is a good moment to think. Well, better would have been to think here at this moment where he could have just finished off the game. But yeah, okay. Let's see how this goes. h5, good move. Excellent move. This is creating a weakness. Now, Samay must go g5 because good or bad, you have to do it. You can't really do h3 because after hg4, rook on h1 is unprotected. ये हमेशा प्रॉब्लम रहता था. अगर बिशप g2 पे रहता तो you could even go h3 possible. Yes. Now weakness का concept देखो, and I'm going to teach this also to later on tonight to Karan, who will be joining on Chessbase India. Weakness is one square which is not protected by your own pawn. Okay, so let's say is not ये देखो, ये f6 move I don't like. f5 is a weakness because it's not protected by any white pawn. तो यहां से अपन नाइट को लाके यहां बिठा सकते हैं. अब f6 मूव ऐसी मूव है जिसका क्यों करना है? Why do you want to play such a move? Because now I can just go knight c3, hit your bishop, you will take, I'll take with the queen. Suddenly white is just getting a lot of play because light squares are weak. तो मेरा बिशप आ जाएगा यहां पर और फिर आपके किंग पे प्रेशर. ef6, okay, interesting. I would really love if Samay plays here. Yeah, he's keeping his space. He's keeping his space. But, you know, in opening, one of the main things that you have to do is get your pieces out as quickly as possible. So knight c3, I would have really loved to see in this position. Knight c3 or knight d2, hitting this bishop. h4, आपको ऐसा फील हो रहा है क्या h4 ए मूव है वो जरूरी नहीं था क्योंकि ये pawn is defended यहाँ पे bishop से. Now Prakhar has come and tried to attack here, but again, knight c3. Let's go. Bishop d3. I would have really loved to get this bishop for my knight. How can I put it in some kind of a term where it's understandable? The bishop on e4 is a very key piece for black. Okay? But at the same time, bishop on f1 is also a very key piece for white. तो ये वाला तो बराबरी का एक्सचेंज है ही, पर बराबरी का एक्सचेंज नहीं चाहिए ना अपने को तो चाहिए मुनाफा. वी वांट प्रॉफिट. सो प्रॉफिट चाहिए तो खेलो knight c3 because your knight is not as valuable as the bishop. Queen c7. Now bishop takes f4 is a threat. How to deal with it? Do you even want to deal with it is the question. I would say if someone can find this move, ये देखो, knight to c3, ठीक है. So अगर bishop f4 मारोगे तो मुझे ये मिल जाएगा, knight e4, pawn takes e4 and bishop e4, correct. But अगर knight c3 के बाद आप bishop d3 मारते हो तो मैं queen d3 मारूंगा. आप bishop f4 मारोगे तो I'll give queen g6 check. Let's see if we can calculate. This is a tough position. This is where you need to bring in your ability to, okay, gf6, maybe not the best, but okay, knight f6, yeah, good move. Now Samay will go knight e5. This is typical Samay. He will try to save this pawn. Usko dikhega ye acha square hai. Wherever Samay, what? Bishop e4. But now knight e5. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Knight b d7. And now let's develop knight c3, queen e2. Yeah. Although black's position is great because he can castle long and then rook g8. I would say that white is not really doing so badly here. Oh, by the way, I would really love knight b5, but this queen a5 check. And my bishop is not there, which defends the knight. So then my knight has to go back. So that's not good. But c5, good move by Prakhar. Good move, hitting the center. I think Samay should just develop his piece. Bishop e3. CD. And then bishop d4. Yeah, nice move. Well done, Samay. Well done. And also, if c takes d4, thinking what to do. Maybe can we go knight d7 first?
But I've gone knight b5 here, no?
No, knight b5, queen a5 check. He didn't see it. Okay, long castle. Nice move by the way. Prakhar pumping up the pressure on Samay here. I feel that this is the moment where Samay will start shaking. You know, वो एक shakiness आता है ना गेम में कि यहाँ पे ये मर रहा है, ये भी pressure में है, ये यहाँ पे tension में है. See, queen d2. He made a mistake because now after knight e5, fe, bishop e5. This is a pin here. This shakiness is what. Yeah, CD4, okay, possible to play. Well, there was one question actually. Could Samay have played knight f7, forking the rooks? Maybe Prakhar's idea was just to give up an exchange. Knight e5. Yeah, I think this is lost. This position is completely lost here. Fe, we just bishop e5. There is a small glimmer of hope that you take on e5 because rook d2 go, there is bishop takes c7. Knight v5. And now his plan can be to take the pawn on a7. But there is bishop g3 check also here. Pratik, no, I haven't tried it. What is the other solution? Veritasium says, I started chess after being motivated by you, but I don't understand the concepts of it's LPDO. Can you make a video on how to tackle? It's very simple. Veritasium, when a piece is loose, like ये piece देखो यहाँ पर knight is protected once attacked like this, they can drop off. Loose pieces drop off. Just a pawn on a7, it's not defended. It can drop off. Check. Okay, let's get the king out from here. You do feel that Samay's king is weak. Okay, easy PUBG. Nice. Okay, check. Let's go king d1. Prakhar has actually launched a very good attack on Samay, and he has been just one move ahead of Samay. The main reason being that Samay's king is in the center. If it was on c1 right now, it would have been much better. Guys, let's get back to chess, and I think Samay will deal with this. What has happened? It's his channel. He must make the decision. So let's try to focus on the chess right now. King f1. Oof. Look at this. These are two highways here. And the rook can come here, rook can come here. Queen to c4. A check here to the king and the b5 knight hanging. Queen e2. Somehow he's hanging on. And the thing is, after takes, even bishop f6 is hanging. So maybe some hope, but there is rook d4. Rook d4, knight d4, queen d4. Nice move by Prakhar. Excellent move. Take on d4, queen d4, and now rook d1. Well, Samay has a rook for two pieces for black, but somehow his king is too weak. Queen b6. And now king g2. But then there is rook g8. There is pressure down the g5. Love how Prakhar has actually played this entire game very well. It was very strategically rich position, very deep stuff happening, but somehow he managed to overcome. Samay's and his understanding was superior here for sure. It did show through his moves. Rook g8, good move. Well, I would like to play my king to h3 where I feel it's safe. But actually, after e5 and queen e6, maybe that's also not very safe. Yeah, king is somehow I can guess Samai's moves. I don't know why. It's just the fact that I've been commentating on his games so many times that I can now guess his moves. Good or bad. Somewhere, you have to be careful as black. He's totally winning, by the way, here. But you have to be somewhere careful. Like e5, I was just thinking somewhere queen c4 check may come. And if the rook is undefended, but yeah, nice move, bishop e5. Like it very much. Check, okay. And the problem is, Samay would like to play rook g1 to challenge the rook, but the queen controls the square along with the rook. Yeah, he forgot about it. Again, a move that I actually guessed.
What did I do? What blunder did I do? हट क्या ब्लंडर किया मैंने? मेरे को लगा कि वो टैक्टिक है, रुक वो लेगा और मैं मेट कर दिया. मैं मेट क्यों नहीं हुआ ये?
But that was anyway lost, no? Because if you take the rook back, queen was controlling g1 also. यहाँ पे ये position में, if you take back here, this is also lost.
नहीं मुझे लगा कि मुझे दिखा नहीं, उसका क्वीन d8 पे देख रहा है भाई. मुझे लगा कि वो मारेगा और मैं बोला मेट हो गया, फिर मेट ही नहीं हुआ. भाई क्या चला चैट में?
चैट में बहुत ज्यादा
मॉड्स.
हाँ,
क्यों भाई क्या हो गया एंड मॉड्स?
I don't know, like maybe कोई तो सुपर चैट डिलीट हुआ.
अच्छा जी भाई प्रखर जी. इसमें मैं कहाँ पे लॉस्ट हुआ सागर भाई?
The thing is, समय बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स गेम हुआ. मतलब it was too complicated for even good players to understand कि क्या मरना है. So very good play by both, but f4 is not in the spirit here.
मेरे को लगा पता है क्या सीन है प्रखर का. प्रखर इतना खेला है ना कि उसको ये रट्टा है कैरोकान, तो मुझे लगा कि मैं उसको ओपनिंग से निकाल दूंगा कुछ तो क्रेजी खेल के f4 g4 एंड देन वो संभाल लूंगा और कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा, तो आर या पार की लड़ाई होगी टाइप्स.
I would say, Samay, next time you can go knight f3, bishop e2 and castle. It's a very safe and good way to play.
बट वो ओपनिंग तो उसको आती होगी ना?
वो important नहीं है. See, opening तो सबको आती है, even at the highest level. But middle game play, if I feel somehow, Samay, that you are superior to many players in middle game and your tactical ability. पर आप बहुत बार position इतने wild और खराब लेके आते हो ना that you are not able to show that. If you just play normally knight f3, bishop e2, castle, you can outplay players with your tactical vision, your calculation, and all of it. So, okay, you played f4, e6, and now black to play and win.
Queen h4 check.
Finish. Game is over. Okay, bishop e4, give you hope. You went here. h5, good move by him. What is the weakness that is created in the
f5
position? Exactly. So what should he have done?
Knight e7.
Exactly. But he went f6. Now here's your chance. White to play. You have to understand what's happening and what is the need of the position.
तो मुझे लगा कि मैं अगर लूंगा जो मैंने लिया e takes on f6 here, this I thought that the center will open, e takes f6, pawn takes f6, and I don't know, I probably took with the wrong pawn.
Why do you want to take? See,
I want to
if he takes here, this pawn is protected by your bishop. This pawn is protected here. मतलब
just develop
आपको
knight c3.
Exactly. If you would have played here knight c3 ना समय ये वाले position में, you would have got such a great position knight to c3 के बाद. Because now how do I explain it? If you put bishop on d3, ये बराबरी का exchange है. आपका bishop भी अच्छा है, उसका भी. But knight c3 or bishop e4 is a exchange in your favor totally. Because ये मर गया, तो उसके light squares will become very weak. So you would have a very clear advantage after knight c3.
But what I did, okay, this I did, okay. It's still fine, right? The bar is still okay.
It's still fine. I did not like h4 because again this pawn, मुझे लगता है what you are missing is that this bishop protects the pawn.
वो pawn फिर वो f file खुल जाती है ना?
हाँ ठीक है ना, but नाइट C3, किसको फायदा होगा F5 खुलने से? शायद आपको.
Got it.
H4, Bishop D6, Bishop D3, Queen C7, GF. ठीक है, Knight F6. अभी आपने ये मारा. I think you should have played here, but anyway, this is a very exciting position here. उसने Knight D7 खेला, आपने Knight C3 खेला, C5, and now you said Knight B5 should have been played, but what is the problem with Knight B5?
I realized Queen A5 check.
Correct. So
Yeah.
Bishop E3, excellent move. And उन्होंने और भी अच्छा मूव किया. This is where I said Samay will blunder, and of course next move you blundered because tension. The tension जो आया position में, now you are not. Here is where your ability to hold is gone.
Queen.
Try to figure.
Queen D2.
But that's what you played. See, there is issue here. Queen D2, CD4, Bishop D4, Knight E5, FE5, Bishop E5 और खत्म game.
Queen E2.
But Queen E2 is not against CD, Bishop D4, Knight E5, FE5, Bishop E5, Bishop E5, Queen E5. And you can't castle because your rook is looking on this side. You can't castle here, तो आपका king बीच में फंस गया. बहुत ही टफ पोजीशन है, बहुत ही ज्यादा.
तो मैं लूं बोले, मैं लूं नहीं, उससे भी नहीं हो रहा. I can't understand how to. I want a long castle, man.
Exactly, you are one move short. एक अगर Queen D2 और long castle मिल गया ना, you are better. You are doing very well. He timed it very
Okay,
well.
Knight
Actually, he
E2.
played very well. Okay,
Knight
Knight
E2.
E2. I take this.
Knight takes.
Same issue. Take. अभी ये मर रहा है, यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है. Sorry.
C3.
हाँ, but check and then Knight G4.
ठीक.
King बहुत ही ज्यादा weak है. So the right move here, one of them is to think of this.
Wow.
Now again, it's a fork, but I'm not. ये position के बाद exchange is not so important. आप एक रुक नाइट के लिए रुक भी मार दो, पर एंड में आपका किंग फंस गया है.
तो
So it's not easy.
पहले बिशप टेक्स, फिर नाइट टेक्स.
कौन से रुक को मारोगे?
D8 वाले को. नहीं H8 वाले को, ताकि वो वाला वहां जाए.
But then check. And अब किंग का कैसलिंग टूट गया, समझो किंग E2 खेलते हो, तो I'll even just maybe take this or I'll give a check. Knight coming here, ये मर रहा है. It's over.
समझा.
तो आपको अगर बचना है ना ये पोजीशन में, इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मूव व्हिच इज नाइट टू C4, एंड आई वुड से इवन वेरी स्ट्रांग प्लेयर्स विल स्ट्रगल टू फाइंड दिस.
पूछ के देखो अनिश गिरी को, फिर डालो मिनी क्लिप.
एंड देन इफ ही टेक्स हियर, यू गो नाइट B5 एंड सडनली क्या हो गया? योर नाइट ऑन C4 कंट्रोल्स A5 स्क्वायर एंड नाइट ऑन B5 नाउ अटैक्स दिस, एंड नेक्स्ट मूव यू वांट टू टेक, he will, and then your knight will jump into D6 check. चैट में कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है.
चैट में अलग ही चल रहा था. मैं बोला कोई मूव बता रहा होगा चैट में, क्या चल रहा है चैट में, देखते हैं कुछ को मूव मिला क्या, कोई पोजीशन अप्रिशिएट कर रहा है क्या. नहीं भाई, पढ़ो भाई. 12th के एग्जाम कैंसिल हो गए तो कभी ना कभी तो होंगे.
So yeah, this is where I think you also have some play now with your knights. But anyway, after Queen D2 आपने जो खेला, I felt he played very well.
Yeah.
He played in a way where
यहाँ तो कुछ चांस नहीं था उसके.
no, he played excellently. Yeah, but Samay is a small suggestion is to solve more tactics. in the day so that you can play.
भाई
But I
मैं
already
टैक्टिक्स बहुत करता हूँ डिस्कॉर्ड पे. कल हम लोग गए थे, अभी भी यू नो व्हाट, आई शो यू, वेट चैट, आई शो यू, अभी भी वहीं पे बरकरार है. भाई ये देखो आप, कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन?
no. Should I stop sharing?
Yeah, can you stop sharing? No, don't. Just see on this, no, on YouTube.
देख.
You'll be very happy. And like बहुत मजा आता है भाई टैक्टिक्स सॉल्व करने में, पजल सॉल्व करने में. वी आर राइट नाउ एट 64 नॉट आउट. एंड भाई क्या योगदान दिया है मैंने,
अच्छा.
डिस्कॉर्ड पे पूछेगा आप, सारा योगदान मेरा है भाई इसमें. इतने मस्त
हाँ.
मस्त मूव्स ढूंढे हैं हमने. मतलब एक दो अच्छे प्लेयर भी है, एक एफएम है और एक कैसिनोवा है जो 2000 रेटेड है, लेकिन आई हैव सॉल्व्ड सो मेनी टैक्टिक्स विदाउट देम आल्सो सीइंग. तो मेरे को बहुत
But
खुशी मिलती है भाई.
I want you to start applying it in your games.
डन है.
Right now, the reason why you can't apply it in your games is a lack of patience somewhere and lack of ये. But I can already sense things coming back. आज आपने जिस तरह से खेला एक दो गेम, they were really good.
Yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, all right. Sagar Shah, thank you so much for joining, bhai. I know you have some work at 11 p.m. But
Yes.
what
I have
I'll
a
do is-
stream with Karan Singh Magic.
Oh, acha, acha.
Mm.
So what I'll do is now I'll start playing some chess offline, and let's hope that helps me.
Yes. Please let's continue and ये जो आप जो फोकस से खेल रहे हो वो उसको रखो. मतलब try to get tactics in your game. And ये जो आपका एटीट्यूड है ना उसको बदलो कि अगर ओपोनेंट को कोई ओपनिंग पता है तो मुझे कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा. आई हैव टू चेंज समथिंग टू गेट हिम आउट. नो, यू हैव टू. इतना सॉल्व कर रहे हो ना 64, वो थोड़ी ना कर रहा है. तो आप उसको मिडल गेम में यू कैन आउट थिंक हिम इफ यू गेट एन इक्वल पोजिशन ऑल्सो. And with white, a very good position can be just to do this, or even if you play c4, knight c3, that could suit your style. And Samay, a very good opening for you is also h4.
Ah,
Just threatening g4 now. Bishop e4 ko f3, bishop trap.
wow.
So h5, and now you can go bishop d3, queen d3, and you get the g5 square for your bishop.
Got it.
So this is a very good way for you to play, but just play something which is normal. मुझे आपको ओपनिंग पे नहीं ध्यान देना है. आप e4 खेलो, आप बहुत अच्छा खेलो.
अभी मैं e4 थोड़ा और सीखूंगा, इसलिए मेरा रेटिंग कम हो गया है. मैं सिर्फ d4 खेल के बढ़ रहा था, पर मेरे को मजा आ रहा है. e4 वाले गेम्स आर वेरी
It's like this, Samay. If your games are going well ना, opening अगर improve हो जाएगा, it is very easy. Just like you do one session on openings with someone, and then you start playing, तो आपका game it will just rise like anything. But what is more important is to get your middle game and end game working well. फिर तो कोई भी opening करोगे, you will win. You will do well.
ठीक है भाई. Alright.
चलो,
Bye
see you.
bye.
Bye.
Love you. Bye bye chat. I'll see you very soon. Maybe